Hey everyone, Siddhant here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a free website in 2018. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to get a free domain and hosting. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Also, before starting the video, make sure to subscribe and like the video for more videos like this. Anyway, so first you need to go to the link in the description to freenom.com. Now once you've done that, you can search your domain here and check whether the domain is available or not. So as you guys can see, you can search it and there are various extensions like TK, MLG. These are all free. So as you guys can see, you can choose any of them for free. As you guys can see, there is $0. So once you have done that, select one, and at the bottom you can continue to the registration page. So as you guys can see, at the bottom you can just go ahead and check out. Once you have done that, you need to sign in with your Gmail or put your email ID and stuff like that. So as you guys can see, you can select 12 months for free. So you can get up to 12 months free domain, that is sntech.ml. You can choose any of your domain. Once you have done that, click 12 months and go to continue. And here you have to put in your email address and you have to verify your email address. So let me put my email address here. Once you've done that, click on this verify my email address button. Now go to your Gmail or whatever the email you have put and verify your email by clicking this link. Once you've done that, you are all ready to go. Now you need to go to the Infinity free website. As you guys can see, you can put all of your details here. So your name, company name, address, zip code and stuff like that. Don't worry, these are your information will be not shared with someone. Once you have done that, go to the client area and you are all ready to go. Now go to infinityfree.com. all the links will be down in the description. Once you have done that, click on this sign up now and put your email address and password and sign up there. You need to also verify this account too. Just put in your email address and password and sign up for here. Click on the sign up button and verify your email address just like you did before. So as you guys can see, this is the email. You just have to click on this green button and you are good to go. Now once you have done that, click on this new account button. As you guys can see, click on this new account button and put your domain here. So the domain that you bought for free, put that domain there. So just copy it from here and paste it there. Now you need to copy this name servers ns1.apg.com. just copy it and go to your Freenom website and click on this manage domain. Then go to management tools, name servers, use custom name servers, then paste all of the name servers, changing the name to 1 2 3 4 just like that. So change name server 2 to 2 3 and 4. So just do this, change the name server 1 2 3 4 and click on change name server. Now you're all good to go. Now you can create an account here. Once you have done that, your website is pointing to the name servers. Now go open control panel. So this hosting is running on the cPanel, so it's really good, which is based on Linux. Once you have done that, it will open the cPanel. Wait for it. So as you guys can see, the cPanel is open. Now you need to install Softaculous, which will install WordPress on our website. So as you guys can see, Softaculous. Once you have done that, just install it and install WordPress. So you can also add AdSense and stuff like that. Once you have done that, just remove this WP. So just remove it and add description and site name to your website. So let me just add some descriptions and site name to my website. So you can do whatever you like and just hide your password and add a admin username and password which will be used to log into our WordPress. So select a good password that is really strong and your admin email address. Once you have done that, you can also select a bunch of themes from here. So these are all WordPress themes, so you can select a bunch of themes. WordPress has a whole lot of different themes, so I'm just going to select one. So let me select this one and click on install. Now it will take some time, about 1 minute, 1 to 2 minutes, and WordPress will be installing on our website. Once you have done that, you need to go to this link, so sntech.ml/wp-admin. So just click on this link. So now you are in the WordPress, so you have successfully installed WordPress on your website. From now you can choose the appearances and change a whole lot of stuff from here. So basically WordPress is installed on your website and you can change all the headers and the footers, and you can also customize your themes and stuff like that. Basically all the WordPress functions are installed on your website. You can also add AdSense via WordPress and earn money. So yeah guys, this was basically it. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Peace out.